Amazon made a big announcement. It's not about a sale, not about same-day delivery. It's about something far more important: jobs. This is Quick Take, your quick guide. I'm Smita Prakash. In a recent internal memo, Amazon CEO Andy Jassy said that the company's workforce will shrink in the coming years. Why? Because of AI. As Amazon rolls out more artificial intelligence across its departments, it will need fewer employees. This includes not just warehouse workers, but also engineers, managers, and corporate staff. Now, this isn't an overnight move. Amazon CEO said that the shift will happen slowly, mostly through attrition. That means when people leave, they might not be replaced. No mass layoffs, at least for now. But make no mistake, this is a clear signal. Amazon says that machines are ready to take over human tasks, and the numbers back it up. The company already uses over 1,000 AI tools and agents. They are writing code, they are answering customer queries, they are organizing warehouse inventory. AI is everywhere inside Amazon. And it's not just Amazon. Meta, Microsoft, IBM, and JP Morgan all are saying the same thing. Remember, Mark Zuckerberg poached at least a dozen top researchers from OpenAI. And these are not just juniors, these are core talent, the kind of people who led the AI revolution. Meta CEO didn't mind spending hundreds of millions in pay. Coming back to the topic, AI isn't coming, it's here. And it's changing the way work is done. Now, some experts believe this won't lead to mass unemployment. They say it will simply reshape the workforce. That sounds comforting, but let's pause. Here's the hard truth. People who lose their jobs today may not have the skills to get tomorrow's jobs. Retraining takes time. Not everyone can afford that luxury. Not every company offers support. That's why Amazon CEO's memo had a message for his employees. Be curious, he said. Lean in, learn AI, build AI tools, which indirectly means adapt or risk being left behind. If you're in tech, marketing, customer service, start paying attention. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's already replacing simple, repetitive work, the kind that used to be called safe. Even if you're a student, this matters. The job markets you're preparing for is changing fast. Choose skills that machines can't easily replace. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, these are best bets in the age of AI. For governments, policymakers, there's huge responsibility. They need to create safety nets, support small businesses and local industries. This moment is similar to the Industrial Revolution. Back then, machines replaced manual labor. Now, algorithms are replacing mental labor. But this time, it's faster and global. Some people will thrive in this transition. They'll upskill, they'll innovate, they'll work with AI, not against it. Others will fall behind, not because they weren't capable, but because they weren't prepared. Learn how AI works. You don't need to become a coder. You do need to understand how these tools are shaping your industry. Ask yourself, what part of my job could AI do tomorrow? What part only I can do? Focus on strengthening that part. AI is already reshaping jobs, industries, and the global economy. You don't need to fear it, but you can't afford to ignore it. Because in this new world, it's not the strongest or the smartest who survive. It's the ones who are willing to change.